pretty quick. You know, I'm not going to rush it or anything, but it's pretty straightforward. I'll let you enjoy the rest of your night with Anthony. Yeah, I'm with you. You can hear it.